fine if I pull right here, dude?
I don't care where you pull. What's going on with you? I'm just asking why you're out here in the street smoking weed.
Oh, I was just chilling in my car.
Well, smoking weed, obviously. Is there more weed in the car? You guys smoked everything you had?
I mean, I'm ready to go in my house.
So why don't you come out of the car and talk to me, man? You got ID on you? Is it in that wallet? You got anything on you? No knives, no drugs, no guns? You got any problem with checking? You got any problem with checking?
What?
If you got anything on you? But don't reach for me. I mean, I was going to check for you.
Oh.
It's all right. There's nothing on you?
Yes, sir. I mean, that's my phone.
You got no more weed inside the car?
No. Yeah, one for y'all.
All right, boss. So you're just out here smoking weed and chilling, waiting for your parking space to open up?
Yeah, I mean, I could pull right there.
Could have, yeah. You could have parked anywhere.
That's the thing, but...
I know, you're supposed to park in, like, whatever the spots are.
Yeah, he's just...
To your number.
He's just that's my two cars.
So which apartment is yours?
This one right here.
You got the ID?
Oh, yeah.
So you stay at which one? 21 or 23? And you don't know this truck?
I mean, they might have moved right there.
But yeah, they're in the wrong spot because that's 23. They need to be parked in 21, but you see
like
21 parked half on and half off, so they took up.
Whenever they get home, they were elderly.
Yeah.
They park like they do too. So I was trying to check their spot.
You're good, man. I understand. Makes sense. So there's nothing else in this car?
No, sir.
You got any problems with me checking?
No, you good.
Yeah. All right. I'll wait for my partner. He said he's gonna be here in a second. How long ago you buy this car?
I just bought it a couple weeks ago.
Okay. Where'd you get it from?
Bachelor Subway.
Okay. Is it hard getting one right now in COVID or no? How was it, like test driving, that kind of stuff? Or would they let you do that?
Yeah.
They let you test drive?
I wasn't going to buy it if...
Yeah. I just wasn't sure what all they got going on. I haven't tried to buy one since, so. I never know what they're doing, if they're letting people test drive them, not test drive them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you cool if I get my stuff out of my car?
What you getting? You can come out. All right, man. Just stand back here. Don't be reaching. Don't be reaching. Stop. I'm good. 723 Adam radio. 721 Echo. I got shots fired. Barstown, Cedar Look. Shots fired.
1096.
Start me EMS.
Hey, Baker, I'm out. What's your location again? Barstown? Cedar Look. Did you got Sierra?
Barstown, Cedar Look. Fuck.
10-4. Officer 1086.
1086. Dude, I don't know. Check my shoulder, man. Right shoulder.
Come back here. My phone was right there. Let's get my car. My car doesn't have light.
I got shot in the shoulder, man.
Officer,
10-4. Start me EMS. I get a shoulder wound.
I just see grazes for now.
I'm okay. 7 point, I'm okay. Keep there, quick.
I don't think I hit him.
Get back inside.
Get in the house.
726 out, clear, man, happy to that.
His ID's over here on the ground somewhere. All the stuff.
Subject's wearing all black, he has an afro. Subject wearing all black has an afro. Is he still outstanding? Yes. Last seen headed
Northbound on Bardstown.
Bardstown, 4900 Holloway in the direction of the Raising Cane's. 23 Baker radio, I'm in the area, Raising Cane. Need somebody to go down Seatonville, come up through the back of the neighborhood.
You gotta check all these cars, dude.
1020, I just want to clarify. Who is ES for? From an officer or for a suspect? Do I have an officer shot?
Looks like just a graze on my right shoulder.
Okay, we have an officer shot. Where are you at?
Bardstown Cedar, look.
One on the ground, on Holly Lake here. Got move! Move! 3 Dago, what was your location? At Holly Lake. Charlie, go ahead. 2 Charlie, I'm okay. We got a cross check on Holly Lake.
Get him! Get your hands behind your back! Behind your back now! This is our guy. God damn it. One Echo, we got one in custody. Start EMS for him too. He's got Judge got work to the back. Sorry.
Here's the gun. Where's the gun?
Gun's over here. Don't move.
One in custody. What do you need?
Well, should have thought of that before you shot me. You did have a choice, man.
One Echo, what do you need EMS for the one in custody? 723 back to your radio. We got one with a gunshot wound.
I don't know.
Looks like through and through. Chest through his back.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Where are you at?
I can't breathe. I cannot breathe.
Like this?
Yeah, it's just straight.